Tom did that his own way. Tom did that his own way. I can prove Tom did that. I can prove Tom did that. Did Tom say who did that? Did Tom say who did that? Who told you Tom did that? Who told you Tom did that? I know where Tom did that. I know where Tom did that. I heard that Tom did that. I heard that Tom did that. Tell Tom how you did that. Tell Tom how you did that. Tell Tom why you did that. Tell Tom why you did that. I'm not sure Tom did that. I'm not sure Tom did that. They say that Tom did that. They say that Tom did that. I'm glad that Tom did that. I'm glad that Tom did that. Tom said he never did that. Tom said he never did that. Tom knows why you did that. Tom knows why you did that. Tom did that the wrong way. Tom did that the wrong way. Tom did that all last week. Tom did that all last week. Tom said he did that wrong. Tom said he did that wrong. Tom did that better this time. Tom did that better this time. Tom did that again, didn't he? Tom did that again, didn't he? Tom did that with Mary's help. Tom did that with Mary's help. Tom asked me if I did that. Tom asked me if I did that. It wasn't Tom who did that. It wasn't Tom who did that. Tom did that a lot of times. Tom did that a lot of times. Tom is the guy who did that. Tom is the guy who did that. I asked Tom why he did that. I asked Tom why he did that. Tom said he did that for us. Tom said he did that for us. Tom asked me why I did that. Tom asked me why I did that. Did Tom say why he did that? Did Tom say why he did that? Did Tom say how he did that? Did Tom say how he did that? Tom asked me how I did that. Tom asked me how I did that. Tom and I know who did that. Tom and I know who did that. Tom is the guy that did that. Tom is the guy that did that. The one who did that was Tom. The one who did that was Tom. Tom has no idea who did that. Tom has no idea who did that. Is it true that Tom did that? Is it true that Tom did that? Tom would be glad he did that. Tom would be glad he did that. I don't know how Tom did that. I don't know how Tom did that. I don't care why Tom did that. I don't care why Tom did that. I can prove that Tom did that. I can prove that Tom did that. Tom will be happy he did that. Tom will be happy he did that. Would Tom care if we did that? Would Tom care if we did that? Did Tom say where he did that? Did Tom say where he did that? Tom told me he did that wrong. Tom told me he did that wrong. Tom asked me where I did that. Tom asked me where I did that. Tom may know why Mary did that. Tom may know why Mary did that. Tom is the person who did that. Tom is the person who did that. Who told you that Tom did that? Who told you that Tom did that? The way Tom did that was wrong. The way Tom did that was wrong. I'm not sure that Tom did that. I'm not sure that Tom did that. I think Tom did that on Monday. I think Tom did that on Monday. Tom did that in front of everybody. Tom did that in front of everybody.